16, Part 2, Translation. Il sera très content. So here we have sera, which is être in the future with the stem ser and the regular ending for the third person singular of the future. He will be very happy. Il fera un bon mari. Faire, that root is for faire, so he will make a good husband. I often say that if he does something that might be a sign that he would be someone good to marry. Nous prendrons 2 livres. So prendrons, that comes from the infinitive prendre. That's an RE verb. You drop the E and then add the future ending, ONS. So we will take 2 books. Vous iriez à l'école. So here we've got the IEZ, which means that's the imperfect. Ir is what alle changes to go. So you would go to the school, or you would go to school, depending on what the context is. Nous recevrions nos amis. So recevoir des amis means to have friends over or to receive friends. And so this is the conditional first person plural. So it's got the IONS in it, the imperfect ending with an R in it from the infinitive. We would have our friends over. Il mourra bientôt. So here, mourir is in the future. It's irregular. The IR drops off. He will soon die. Now here we have the near future. It's not the actual future. It's je vais aller au restaurant. So the je vais is I go. I am going to go to the restaurant. So this is the present tense of aller. Here's the infinitive of aller. Je vais aller au restaurant. I'm going to go to the restaurant. And because the present tense starts with V, I encourage you to mark alle and put it in the list of your V verbs so that you can figure out, aha, I've got a verb that starts with V. Go to some list and figure out what verb it is if you haven't memorized them all. Number 8, il pourrait le faire. So this is the conditional of pouvoir, can or would be able to. So we could say he could do it. That's the conditional of can, or he would be able to do it. Sometimes maybe he would do it, might fit in there, but he could do it. 9, il viendrait avec nous. This is the conditional. It's got the imperfect ending on it with an R, and this is venir, one of the V verbs. They would come with us.